Have you ever wondered how to create an account on Binance? Welcome to the world of Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform. With its user-friendly interface, Binance makes trading a breeze for both newbies and seasoned traders. Add to that a vast variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from, and you've got a digital trading paradise. But that's not all. Binance also rewards you for bringing in your friends with its lucrative referral program. Now, let's dive into the process of creating an account on Binance. Creating an account on Binance is a simple and straightforward process. Let's walk you through it, step by step. Begin by navigating to Binance's homepage. Look for the Register button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to start the account creation process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure to use a valid email address, as this is where important notifications and account recovery information will be sent. Next, you'll need to create a password. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense in protecting your account. So make it unique and complex, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After you've entered your email and chosen a password, you'll need to agree to Binance's terms of use. Make sure you read these thoroughly. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to verify your account. Verifying your account is an important step to ensure the security of your Binance account. Let's walk you through this process, which is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you'll be asked to upload a photo ID. This could be a passport, a driver's license, or any other government-issued ID. Make sure the image is clear and all the details are visible. Next, you'll need to take a selfie. This isn't for your social media feed, but for Binance to confirm that the person on the ID is indeed you. So ensure your face is clearly visible and well lit. Once you've completed these steps, it's time to sit back and relax. Binance will review your submitted information and approve your verification. This might take a little while, but it's a crucial step to secure your account and increase your withdrawal limits. With your account now verified, you're ready to explore Binance's referral program. Binance's referral program is a great way to earn additional income. Let's walk through how you can take advantage of this opportunity. First, you'll need to locate your unique referral link. This can be found in the referral section of your Binance account. This link is your golden ticket to additional earnings, so keep it safe and handy. Now it's time to share your link with your friend. You can do this through email, social media, or any other communication channel you prefer. The key is to ensure your friend signs up to Binance using your referral link. Once your friend signs up using your link and starts trading, the magic begins. You will start earning commission on every trade they make. This isn't just a one-time deal. As long as your friend keeps trading, you keep earning. It's as simple as that. The potential earnings from Binance's referral program are noteworthy. The more friends you refer and the more they trade, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation for both you and your friend. And the best part? There's no limit to the number of friends you can refer. So, start spreading the word and watch your earnings grow. By following these steps, you can create, verify your Binance account, and refer a friend to earn more. Happy trading!